Hey pals! It's Jessica and Haley here, and we are currently at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. We are staying in a Deluxe Studio Room, and we're gonna give you guys a tour.
Yeah, in the carousel building.
Yeah.
So this is the Deluxe Studio in the carousel building. You walk in and there is a mirror, and then you have a little kitchenette here. You got a coffee pot and toaster. You got the Joffrey's Coffee Dark Roast, 50th edition. A bunch of creams, microwave, ice bucket. Let's see, got a can opener and paper towels. Looks like some paperware, bowls, plates, plastic forks, and that one. Over here we got some cups and some more paper towels. You got a sink, small little sink, and then under here just some storage and fire extinguisher. You also have a mini fridge. Just a basic little mini fridge. And from there, we got a closet. Oh, very spacious. Very spacious. Very deep closet. Vacuum cleaner. Your safe. Extra pillows and blankets up top. And here is where the sink and mirror is. You also have that handy makeup mirror. I know I always love when they have these makeup mirrors. They come in handy. And you got the H2O products. Ooh. Body lotion and the facial soap. Not locked up. Let's see if these open. They open. Room for storage. There's the hairdryer. Let's see. Under here, extra toilet paper, some Kleenex, and then you got the bathroom. Just a basic little bathroom. Got your toilet. It does have a tub. So if you need a tub for like littles, that's perfect. And check that out. They got a waterfall faucet as well as a detachable one. Fancy, fancy. And we got the H2O products. Ooh, this is the Sea Marine. That's supposed to be the one that smells really good. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. But unfortunately, they are locked up. And you also have extra hangers on the door. Plenty of that. When you come in, you have queen bed. And let's see, got all your USBs, plenty of plug-ins. Plenty of plug-ins. You got storage. Another mirror. You're never gonna have too many mirrors. You also have this nice bench right here. Let's see. This is storage. Yeah, more storage. Let's see. You also have extra space underneath the bed to put your luggage. That always comes in handy. Ooh, and there's more USBs. More USBs. That comes in handy for sure. And on this side of the bed, you also have more USBs and plug-ins, more storage, and also a light. And I want to point out the little Mickey hat above the bed with a horse and everything. So cute. Super cute details. And then you got the drawers, all this space. 6 drawers. And then if I do this right, I think, let me try. Yeah, that's what I thought. How convenient. Little table for breakfast or brunch, or you want to play cards. Also, lots of storage. Check that out. Yeah, plenty of storage. So then you have the sofa, and right up here you have a Murphy bed. And we're going to attempt to pull this Murphy bed down. Let's see how easy this is. Easy peasy. And look at this. It says Saratoga Springs Stable. How cute, with the little hidden Mickey with the ropes. It's so cute. Easy peasy. Almost can do it with just one hand. This table just moves back. And this is right outside. You have 2 chairs and a little table. Like I said, this is first floor. I know it's hard to see, but right over there between those trees, that is the golf course. Cute little lamps. And right over there, right outside of the room, there is a seating area that looks like a carousel.